How to hide Instagram chats. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to hide Instagram chats. So let's get into it. So hiding the chats is a little bit tricky. As you know, Instagram does not allow you to hide chats. So in this video I'll do my best to tell you how to do that. So first things first, go into your profile and then come over here into settings and privacy. Now once you're over here, what you want to do is scroll down to the very bottom, and what I want you to do is just simply click on account type and tools, and over here switch to a professional account. Give it a couple of seconds and just switch to the professional account. Just continue and all of that. Creator next. Now, as you can see, we are in the professional settings. Now what I want you to do is go back into your chats. And once you're over here, just choose any chat you want. So let's say we want to hide this chat. So we'll just move it to general. And now that that chat has been moved to general, now what we can do is we can go ahead and switch it back to a personal account. So we'll click on settings, and now we'll just simply go back over here at the bottom and actually come over here at the top. Now we have creator tools and control. So we want to click on creator tools and control. And over here, we want to switch account type, switch to personal. Now, if we go ahead and go into the chats, so as you can see, those chats are hidden. So we are good to go. And that is how you do it. So thank you for watching. And until next time, take care and goodbye.